If I hear one more thing about I am going to scream. I mean it. Everybody and their mother is suddenly an expert. And you are sitting there thinking, I do not want to learn that shit. I am too close to retirement to start over on something new. Girl, I get it. But I'm going to be straight with you because you would see right through me if I wasn't. I love this stuff. It has made my life easier in ways I did not expect. And it still took me a minute to get there. I sat out longer than I should have, just watching it play out. And what changed was not a class I took, it was watching other people save hours with it. And time is money. That was the day I took it upon myself to figure some things out. I wanted to know what AI could do for me. Hold on to that because I'm coming back to it. Trust me. There is a method here, and it comes down to money. Let me give you an example of how I used it and how it saved me a bundle. I was paying for Wix on one of my websites, and the yearly renewal was coming up. I did not want to hand over more than $300 again, so I thought maybe this is something Claude can do. Wix does not make it easy to move your information out. So instead of transferring it, I decided to rebuild the whole site from scratch and make it better while I was at it. Long story longer, within a few hours, I had a brand new website, pictures, links, all of it. The kind of thing that would have taken me days, maybe weeks. And it was not only the time. I'm not going to sit here and tell you it was free 99. You know it wasn't. What I am telling you is I did not have to pay someone to build it, and I did not have to keep paying that subscription. I figure I saved around $2,500. Damn straight. That $2,500 is sitting in a Fidelity index fund right now. And that, my friend, was the beginning of something great. A love story for the history books. For me, it was not only the money, it was the time and the strange comfort of having a helper do it alongside me. It's kind of like, when your kids were little, parallel play, the thing toddlers do, working together separately. And I will tell you, it was a relief. And man, did I feel a sense of pride in myself. So before you swear off AI for good, just hear me out. I'm not going to teach you how to code, and I'm not going to sell you a membership. I just want to show you what it is costing you to stay on the outside of this and the smallest possible way in. For me, connecting it to money is what finally got me all the way in. Here's the thing. AI for women over 50 is not a tech story. It is a story about staying relevant. And underneath that, it is a money story. Look at it this way. If you're still working, the raise and the promotion are sliding towards the people who use these tools. Get in front of it. If you have a side hustle going on like I do, this one is yours because someone else is doing what you do in record time with the same tools. And if retirement is on your mind, the way I know it is on mine, this is the difference between keeping your head in the sand and peering out to build a plan. These tools are here. And if you do not use them, there is a price tag for that. 3 actually. The cost of falling behind, the cost of the hours you keep burning the hard way, and the cost of the money you leave on the table. You decide. Is that the price you're willing to pay? Because at the end of the day, you, my friend, are the one paying it. Look, I can tell you the reason you avoid this is some complicated thing. It is not. It is an emotional one. If you feel like you're being left behind, you are. And that, my friend, is a rotten feeling. So the excuses show up. You're too busy. You're too late to the game. You're not a tech person. Each of these I know feels true, and each one is really a trap. I know backing away gives you a little relief, but while you're looking away, the ones who did not look away are pulling ahead a little more every month. Or runway gets a little shorter every day. And that is what coasting is quietly costing you. Now, let me take your biggest excuse off the table, the age one, because it is the one you're holding on to the hardest, right? In 2014, researchers at the University of Texas at Dallas took adults in their 60s and 70s and had them learn something genuinely hard and new, digital photography, a good chunk of hours a week for a few months. And guess what? Their memory got better, measurably better. And not from crossword puzzles, although I'm a fan of those too, but from doing the frustrating new thing. So the story that you're too old for this is just unhelpful. It is wrong. You are not too late. We, my friends, are just on time. You do not have to be an expert. I still ask Claude to help me through things all the time. So ask yourself, what is the one thing that could make my life easier? And here's some solid advice. Treat your AI like an assistant. You have to train it in your ways, your voice, and how you like things done. If that is helpful, tell me in the comments and I will send you some quick tools to start with. The easiest way in is having Claude write your emails or clean up your grammar. Once that feels normal, you get more sophisticated with what you ask. That, my friend, is the shift. It stops being about learning it and it starts being about letting it help you. And when it comes to your money, it can track your expenses, keep your budget, read a statement, and flag what does not look right. I use it for so many things. If you are still working, the fact that you use these tools belongs on your resume this year. If you have a side hustle, ask which piece of it you could hand off to get an hour of your life back. And if you're living on what you saved, let it be the free assistant that helps you plan ahead and build a plan. So the next time somebody at dinner says, AI, one more time, go ahead, girl, roll your eyes because you've got this. AI for women over 50 was never about becoming a tech person. It came down to one small question you have not let yourself ask. Now, how do you learn all of this? Just ask, what can it do for you? So subscribe wherever you are watching or listening. And if you're thinking about how to make more money, watch 5 income streams women over 50 can start now. Linked right below. Pick one and let Claude or ChatGPT or any of the other AI tools help you. I am Josefina Bonilla Velez, and this is Money in Motion. We can't go back, but we can move forward together.